So we need to find the area of a rectangle. So the area is the stuff on the inside. So I'm just going to go ahead and underline areas to remind us that is what we are looking for. So the area is the stuff on the inside. If we think about our field analogy, the area is the area we get to play on. The perimeter was the length of the fence that went around our field, but the area is the stuff in the middle. Our rectangle here has a length of 3 and a width or height of 2 inches. So I'm going to divide this rectangle into its pieces. So to kind of show you what area really means. So I'm going to begin my first division here. There's my one section. And let's make that side more even. So there is my other division. So I now have 1, 2, 3 sections. Other side I'm going to divide in half because it says 2 inches. So there's 1 inch there, 1 inch there. If you look at our rectangle, you've noticed we have drawn some squares, and these are called square units. When we measure area, we measure them in square units. The way we notate this is to write the unit and then an exponent of 2, or a square. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a generic u and the exponent of 2. So this is units squared. If there's no units given, usually you just write units 2 to show it is a square unit. So let's go ahead and count up how many square units we have. In this case, we have inches. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 square units. So I'm going to go ahead and write 6. And we can't forget our units, which are inches. So I'm going to write IN. And then we're going to square it because these are square inches. We're not measuring in length or distance. These are measuring in squares. Now I'll show you the way to compute this quickly without having to draw squares every single time you encounter this type of problem. So I see a length of 3 and a height of 2. We're just going to multiply these two together to find the area. So there's my 2 inches, my 3 inches. Let's multiply it. 3 inches times 2 inches is going to give us 6 inches squared because we were dealing with squares. So our answer for the area of a rectangle is 6 inches squared.